recently bought a Type A to Type C lightning port cable from Flipkart for rupees 219, and uh, I was kind of forced to buy this because the cable which comes with the box of the iPhone is like lightning port to Type C. So the old chargers, they don't have Type C port in it. The old computer and the old laptops, they don't have Type C port into it. Also, uh, my power bank doesn't have any Type C, as you can see. So either I have to buy a new laptop, new computer, a new power bank, or else I have an option to buy a new Type A to lightning port cable. So I went for this Portronics. The box says Portronics Connect A, and it's a 2 meter long cable, and it's actually a braided cable, and the quality of this cable is like really good. Let me open this box and show you. So this is the cable. So this is the cable. As you can see, this is a braided cable, and it has this metal casing on it. Also, this part is has this plastic body over it for like protect it from bending, extreme bending. So that's a very good thing. Also, the quality of this cable is like really good, and I have been actually using this cable for a month now, and the good things about this cable is like it's a 2 meter long cable. Let me show you. Also, it's a braided cable, and the charging speed is good, not as good as the iPhone original cable, but still it's pretty good. So it's very long, as you can see. Also, it solves the compatibility issue which I was facing, like I can connect it to my old computers. Also, I can connect it to my power bank. Also, it's more rugged, as you can see. I'm no more worried about the wear and tear of the cable. As you can see, it has a nylon braiding. Also, it has a very hard metal casing over it. Also, I'm not worried about the bending of the cable. Also, I would like to mention that it is not a Apple M5 certified cable, so you have to keep that in mind. Apple M5 certified cables cost around like 700 to 1000 rupees, which I don't think it is worth, because I got it for only 119 rupees, and it is doing good for me. Like, its charging speed is good, data transfer speed is good, and so far it's holding pretty good. So that's a good part. And I will show you the charging speed of this cable, and also the data transfer speed of this cable, and I will compare it to the cable but which Apple's provide. So we'll have a little comparison and we'll see if this is worth or not. So we will try to copy a 1 GB file through the Portronics cable, and later on we'll compare it from the iPhone original cable. So we'll see what's the speed difference between both two cables. So as you can see, the Portronics USB cable took approximately around 41 seconds to copy this. So now we have the iPhone original cable connected to the computer, and we will see trying to copy the same files, and let's see like what's the speed difference we get. So this one took at around 38 seconds to copy the same file. So you can see the difference in the copying files, like there's negligible difference, there's absolutely no difference, like only 3 seconds of difference in copying 1 GB of file. So clearly Portronics USB cable are really worth the price. So here I was doing a charging test, and I was using a MI charger which has 10 watt of output. So it took roughly around 1 hour and 55 minutes to go from 4% to 100%. And in my opinion, if we use a fast charger, using Portronics cable, and I think it can charge as fast as the stock cable. So I don't think there's a huge difference when it comes to charging speed between both the cables. So as you saw, the charging speed of this cable is like decent, if not good. I think it can be called good. Like if I use a faster charger, I think it can charge the device at a pretty good speed. So I think that can be considered as good. Also the data transfer speed, as you can see, is like really good. So I think if you're looking for a type A to lightning port USB connector, so I think you should totally go for this. This is totally worth for the money, and it will solve all your issues, like all the problems which I am facing. So you can solve all those problems by getting one of these, and these also cost like really decent, like they don't cost a lot like Apple USB cables. So I think if you're looking for one, definitely go for these.